The first step of your child and the first step towards their perfect education are two important things in their early educational journey. Admitting your child to our school is the beginning of this journey. In our school, your child's learning remains continuous at the same time achieving every learning outcome. These developmental milestones are met with the help of a timetable developed by our academic experts to cater to your child's learning needs both at school and at home. This schedule will plan your child's academic journey before they are sent into the school environment. This timetable will be implemented by our teachers who are extensively trained and certified with experience in enabling your child's success. Our structured timetable helps in providing learning through scientifically designed materials and curriculum books in three core areas of development: sensorial, mathematics, and language. The central part of our curriculum begins with concrete learning. Your children will learn with a hands-on approach, which means they will be involved in their learning process by doing rather than watching. From concrete, we move into abstract learning, which is the ability to understand concepts that are not directly related to physical objects. In addition to being engaging, this method paves a way to skill building and transformative experience for your child. Our curriculum follows a three-step instructional approach. The first step is called the concrete stage. That involves physically manipulating objects. The second step is called the representational stage, which involves using images to represent objects with the use of blackboard, activities, and games. The final step is called the abstract stage. That involves using numbers, symbols, and application on paper. Now let's see the exciting journey your child will take up every day in our school. Your child will experience structured learning in the three areas of development: sensorial, mathematics, and language through a timetable. In our structured activity lab, your child will learn through materials. Each of our materials helps your child master a skill through practice and repetition. Our trained and certified teachers will help your child reinforce the skill in the classroom with many social activities. Our curriculum books will help transition the practical skills your child has learned in the activity lab and classroom into abstract skills. Now you can become partners in your child's learning journey with Practivity toy boxes and practice books at home. Let's focus on our first area of development for your child: sensorial. The sensorial area in our curriculum focuses on learning activities, classroom lessons, and writing to help refine the senses like touch, sight, hearing, smell, and taste in your child. In our activity lab, the children themselves set up their work and play area. Unrolling the working mat speaks to a child's sense of independence and is important before starting any activity. Learning every concept starts with this activity. Here, with the material circle sorter, the child is learning sizes and dimensions. Here, the teacher is conducting a group activity to help the child reinforce the concept of sizes and dimensions. The child will solve a worksheet for the concept of sizes and dimensions in one of our curriculum books. Here your child is learning the skill of sensorial at home with the learning toys of the Practivity toy box and the activity sheets of the sensorial practice book. Now, let's focus on the next concept, which is mathematics. We follow the same systematic path to make learning math easier for children. Here, with the material sequencing puzzle 1 to 20, the child is learning the concept of sequencing 11 to 20. Here, the teacher is conducting a group activity to help the child reinforce the concept of sequencing 11 to 20. The child will solve a worksheet for the concept of sequencing 11 to 20 in one of our curriculum books. Here, your child is learning the concept of sequencing 11 to 20 at home with the learning toys of the Practivity Toy Box and from the activity sheets of the Mathematics Practice Book. Now, let's focus on the next concept, which is language. We follow the same systematic path as the previous two skills to make learning language easier for children. Here, with the material sandpaper letters, the child is learning the concept of alphabet tracing. Here, the teacher is conducting a group activity to help the child reinforce the concept of alphabet tracing. The child will solve a worksheet for the concept of alphabet tracing in one of our curriculum books. Here, your child is learning the concept of alphabet tracing at home with the learning toys and the Practivity Toy Box and from the activity sheets of the Language Practice Book. In addition to all of these skills, we introduce various themes to your child through our theme books. Our theme books at an early stage will expose your child to the real situations in their surroundings.